why in my every appointment, I would really sell not below 5 sets.
And here's the deal, yeah? If your list was high caliber, and your list, you were credible to your list, with Wisefan, it is actually possible to sell by phone. If you can convey the sincerity that Erwin said over the phone. And the reason why I say that is because I sold 28 sets over the phone in 1 day and a half. I sold 28 sets, not because of anything, but because it's a limited time. So when I was on the phone, and I was talking to them over the phone, I conveyed that, and the sincerity was there. Tama yung sinabi ni Erwin, I would say that too, that, the very first person I thought about when I heard about this product was my mom. Because she's already these years. And I can tell you, out of everything that I know about health, I've never seen anything like this. This is a product of a 35-year research. That's the good news. Yung ganun. So even though over the phone, it's not something like, hindi ganun. It's in a very sincere manner. By the time I went to them, actually over the phone, by the time we end, I'm already setting the appointment when I can get the check. So when I went to see them, it was more like just to get the check, but at the same time enrolling them or reassuring them about the product and the potential business behind it. Or maybe getting referrals from.
Meron ako sa Facebook message.
Facebook message. So meron siyang filtering. Anything works. But the most important thing is in the list, the quality of the list. Who are the people that you'll be credible with? People who know you. All your uncles and aunties know you. Yes? Kahit pasaway ka dati. But if you know how to turn on your sincerity thing, even over the phone, they can feel it. Even the way you say things, they can feel it. Yes? Your ninong-ninang, everybody has ninong-ninang. Yes? Yeah. So those people, o mga ninong-ninang ng mga kapatid mo, kung wala ka. Alright? I'm sure meron yan. Okay? And so, yeah, what, on the person-to-person, so that's what you say. How would you tell them in a way, so not to sound so brash, how would you tell them to pay now?
That's what I say. Hindi this a good news. I mean, bad news. 3,000 sets. So I have to
Ulit payment now.
get the payment right now. And I'll make sure to get the sets for, get spray dito na meron kang, set. Yeah.
Okay, great. So are you guys learning? Yes. Okay, great. Thank you very much, folks. Thank you very much. So again, nobody learns by just listening. You gotta do it. Even if you have to sacrifice 3 clients for you to perfect it. But if those 3 will lead you to 30 sales, so what? Kesa yung takot ka magkamali, takot ka man lang magsimula, ay wala ka talaga magagawa. Yes or yes? I tell you what, 3,000 sets of our square given to any salesman would sell out. Yes or yes? Any salesman, which means if I talk to 100 insurance salespeople that are good, they can sell it out. Pero itong diferensya, they can sell it out, there's no executives created. We're only talking about 3,000 sets versus millions. I mean, in Philippines, there's a lot of poor people, but there are millions of rich people. Yes or yes? We have millions of rich people. Millions versus 3,000 is a very big difference. Why do we want to target these people? So that, number one, they can get interested with something new because most high-end people always want to be first. Sino ba nauuna bumili ng Zara? Sino bang nauuna bumili ng Mango? Sino bang nauuna bumili ng Hermes? Hindi ba yung mga high-end? By the time bumili na Louis Vuitton yung katulong nyo, tapos na sila. Yes or yes? By nature, visionaries, high-end people are always interested to be first of something new. Now you have an opportunity of something new. But what do you do with that? I tell you what, if you're a fisherman, pag ginamit mo yung isda mo na galunggong para ibenta sa palengke, 100 pesos per kilo, I tell you what, Una, kumita ka kasi sa isenta lang yun sa Novaliches. Pero, kumita ka sa galunggong. Pero yung mga magagaling, bumili ng galunggong para pumunta sa laot, para yung galunggong gawing bait, para makakuha ng balyena, hindi balyena, tuna. Get my point? Kasi bait ang galunggong eh. Yung mga malalaking isda gusto dun sa galunggong. 3,000 galunggong ang meron mo. Limitado yan. Hindi 3 tonelada. 3,000 lang. Anong gusto mong kunin? 30 piso o tuna? What I want you to understand is this. Sure, you're going to get income from this. But I want you to think, what is your conversion rate? So I want you to live this afternoon with these words in your brain. Think conversion rate. I'm thinking, if I'm selling to somebody like Dennis, selling him the R-squared for me is not the end game. It is for him to experience R-squared. But of course, if he already buys R-squared from me, it's easier for me to get him to recommend 10 of his friends. Yes? Kasi naka-R-squared siya eh. So, syempre gusto rin niya mang-influensya ng mga kaibigan niya. Yes? So, I am going to gain access from Dennis to 10 other people, of which 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 could become executives. Yes? These people also, at the high end, if they get great results, are a people of influence. By the time the launch, the formal launch of Wisespan, these are the people that have a trickle-down effect. So this person might not sell, but surely they know people. For example, I know somebody who became an executive here who was the executive, was one of the partners of SGV. Certainly a partner of SGV knows a lot of ex-SGV people who are now controllers and accountants of other companies. Yes or yes? And so the trickle-down effect from the top people is higher. So what we want to do is you want to service your clients well, you want to treat them well, you want to get them to buy not just for the sale, you're not interested with the income, but because you want to convert them to executives. Yes, you want to from these 3,000 sets, get a high conversion rate to doing the business. And then that follows, because you know what? Kasi kung hindi ka sincere, if the person feels na pineperahan mo lang siya, hindi yan magiging executive. So by thinking of this person beyond the sale, you will actually become a lot more sincere to this person. Because how you sell to this person will also get this person to think of whether or not they want to share it to their friends. Pero yung sinabi ni Erwin kanina, kung yung pagka-share mo dun sa tao very sincere, and the person really feels compelled that this really is something that can help them, right? You know what we'll do? They will even recommend their loved ones to you. That's how you know. Uy, si ganito, may ganyan yan, baka makakatulong yan. Uy, si ganyan, I know he's battling this kind of problem, may autoimmune problem yun. Can we, you know what I'm saying? If you are able to do that, then you've already actually, nasimulan mo na yung executive process ng isang tao. Yes or yes? Be smart. You understand that this 3,000 sets, you want to use this LTO to propagate your business. We are not here, we are not professional salespeople. Selling the product is the least of our concern. Right? So, we are going to use the 3,000 things to prop up your business and to get you to fly at a higher altitude. How do you do that? What I'm saying is this, be smart. At the very, very least, you have to use your sales to propel you to get a better posture, increase your, for example, pin title. So if I have 20 sets sold, that is the equivalent of 3 more executives. If you do the follow-through properly and you did not stop with the sale, it's highly possible that you could work on all those people that bought the products, and you can actually make these 3 legs instead of just executive titles after. Yes or yes? Are you able to sell multiples? Yes. That means to say, what if I have somebody who I know can invest, they have the means, they have the connections, can I sell them more than one set? The answer is yes. But here's the deal. 3,000 sets. 3 million potential customers. Think, is it better for you, thinking about conversion rate, to sell a lot to a few people or to sell to a lot of people? Think,